So what's going on? Today we will be getting the Memphis Shades Gauntlet Fairing prepared to go on Harley. Excuse the mess in the garage.
Ain't no sunshine when she
So as you saw in the unboxing video, this Memphis Shades Fairing comes with this high gloss look to it. So from what I found out is it's a smoked acrylic based fairing with a screen printed black backing on it to give it the look and to keep the windshield cleared. And then all they did is etch a line right around there to kind of separate the window from the actual fairing. But as you know, Harley ain't gloss. Harley has a very unique paint job. So of course I have to paint this fairing to match her. So I'm still trying to decide as of right now if I'm gonna leave the window part and just paint the black part, or if I'm gonna just paint the whole thing. But the first step is to see how this thing fits on here before I even start painting it. So I'm gonna remove this fairing. Now I'm not sure how good you can see in there, but this is basically just a little cheap fairing I ended up picking up off Amazon for like $20. Just held on with like 3 or 4 screws. So let me get these screws loosened and get this fairing off so we can see how the Memphis Shades gonna fit.
15 minutes later.
She don't even look the same no more. So I got the main piece off. I just gotta get this little bracket off real quick. So it may be a lot harder than I thought to actually get this done because the way this fairing is designed, once it's mounted, not sure if y'all can see that, but it kind of hits my Speedo relocation. So I'm either gonna have to relocate the Speedo again or figure something else out. Okay, now that I got a free hand, let me show y'all something. So this fairing will mount right here. But if you look at that, you can see straight through there. I don't really like that. So I think I'm gonna just paint the whole thing. I'm not gonna be able to ride Harley for a little bit because, as you can see, I'm not gonna be able to mount my Speedo until I get an adapter to probably move it up here somewhere. And it honestly doesn't even look like it'll fit right there. I'm gonna really have to figure something out with this because I can't mount it here, can't mount it there. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But let's at least get this piece ready to be painted. I got my hardware right here. I don't know if I want to put the hardware on before I paint it or after. I want those. Let me look at this hardware. So this, I'm assuming, goes like that. I kind of feel like I might need to put this on and tape that off. Let's try that. This is probably my fault for not reading directions, but I don't see any. So that's one grommet. Okay, I got the hardware on the actual fairing. I think it's right. I didn't go by any directions or anything. I'm just winging it like I always do. So let's see how I put these on the bike. I think like that. I am totally guessing right now, guys. All right, let me get this tool. right, let's try this other side. Not asking for y'all yet. All right, it's time to get this piece ready to be painted.